Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Preeti Sharma. Today we discuss about circular flow of income. Circular flow of income is a flow of income and goods and services between two sectors. These two sectors are household sector and producer sector. If we talk about the types of circular flow, so there are two types of circular flow. First is real flow, second is money flow. If we talk about real flow, in real flow there are two sectors, producer sector and household sector. When household sector provide producer sector factor services like land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, and producer sector provide household sector goods and services. This is known as real flow. It means in real flow, producer sector provides household sector goods and services, and household sector provides producer sector factor services like land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. This is known as real flow of circular flow. Second is money flow of income. In money flow of income, there are also two sectors, producer sector and household sector. In money flow of circular flow, when household sector provide producer sector expenditure means consumption of goods and services, and producer sector payment, household sector factor payments means wage, interest, rent, and profit. Means in income flow we get producer sector provide household sector factor payment, rent, interest, profit, and wages, and household sector provide producer sector expenditure या factor payments. This is known as money flow. In money flow, household sector give to producer sector. Household sector give producer sector expenditure, and producer sector provide household sector factor payments. Factor payments मतलब wage, rent, interest. This is known as money flow of circular flow. If we talk about the assumptions of circular flow, there are many assumptions of circular flow of income. First is there is only two sector, producer sector and household sector. It means there are no role of government and external sector. And household sector consume all income to producer sector. Third is producer sector sell all product to household sector. These are the assumptions of circular flow. If you have any question regarding the circular flow, please comment below. Thank you.